Toddler Buddies!
Hi, friends! Look what I found today!
It's the magic spelling box. I wonder what is inside.
Do you hear that? Shh! Listen closely! It's time to open it! Can you count to 3 with me? 1, 2, 3! Open! Wow! It's a panda! Hello, Mr. Panda!
That's a big word. Let's spell it together. First is the letter P. Can you say P?
Then comes A and N. You're doing great. N-D-A-P-A-N-D-A. Panda!
Great job! You spelled panda! Yay!
Bye-bye, Panda. Are you ready for one more? The box is changing. It's turning red. An apple. It looks so crunchy and sweet. Apple starts with a very special letter. Do you know it? It's A. A is for apple. Say it with me. A. Now we need 2 P's. Pop. Pop. And finally, L and E. A-P-P-L-E. Apple! Look at our friends. We spelled panda and apple today. Spelling is so much fun. You are getting so smart. High five, friend. Thanks for helping me today. See you next time for more magic. Bye-bye from Toddler Buddies.
Like, share, and subscribe to Toddler Buddies for new fun videos.